Hi guys, I'm back again. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Today's video is all about a healthy recipe, like always. And what are we talking about here? Especially this season of Christmas. This cake is good for you and your family. And not only that, it's a cake that has lots of vitamins inside it. Interesting, right? Just grab anything eatable, like always, and stay tuned. So, did you grab anything eatable around you? I just hope so. Sit well. Yeah, guys, today's video, it's a collaboration video. Today's video, I'm collaborating with Ndii. This one is a content creator like me. She's a mom with 5 children and she lives in Canada. She's an amazing mom. She's a Venga woman, and not only that, she teaches a lot of natural recipe like DIY, what you can use for your body, pretty like carrots, anything or Venga, like you want to eat Venga food, drinks, smoothie, baking. My goodness, just go to this world channel. You'll find amazing, interesting, healthy Venga food in her channel. So I just want to use this opportunity also to say thank you so much in this world for this collaboration. After watching this video, don't forget to check on this world. I'll leave her link below my video. Just rush and let her know that you are coming from Mirian. So guys, let's get into this yummy-listic, yummy delicious healthy cake. So first, you start by preparing your pan. This is the pan I'm going to use for the recipe for this cake. And cut a little baking sheet round and place it down just like this. And sprinkle small amount of sugar on it, just small, not too much, just like this. Set it aside. Get your tangerine. Remove the back one after the other. I already removed some. So because I don't want this video to be very long, that's the reason I have to do some off camera to save time. So this is my flour. I have here 200 grams of flour. Today I'm not using baking powder. In this recipe I'm using yeast. This is 14 gram yeast I'm using. Take a look at that, 7 grams. Both are the same. Just give it a turn and set it aside. Here is 80 grams of sugar, and inside the 80 grams of sugar I have 60 grams of vanilla sugar, then 20 grams of normal sugar. Add the sugar. And start blending it. So when it's like this, you now go on, add 50 ml of vegetable oil. Depends on the oil you want to use. So right now I'll go ahead and start adding the flour gradually. So I'll now set it aside. Get a small cup. This is another tangerine, just to get the tangerine water. As you can see, there is no seed on it. So set it aside. Get the batter back again and pour it on it. So now the batter is ready. I'll now go ahead, set it aside. Back with the pan. So this is the tangerine. Make sure that you lay it down just as I'm doing, like this, one after the other. Set it aside. So after pouring it, just try to make sure that you get the batter in every side. So right now it's going inside the oven to be baked for 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven setting. In case you are new to my channel while waiting for the cake to be done, my name is Mirian Dike, likewise my channel name. In case you'd like to know more about me, just go to my about. Very simple, and you know more about Mirian Dike. I am a cake entertainer, a cake presenter, just name it. Healthy meal, yeah. Decoration ideas, oh yes, just name it. Go to my about and there you will know more about me. For my new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. For my old subscribers, I also appreciate you guys. You guys are, thank you so much. So guys, yeah, please don't forget, after watching my video, please, I beg you guys to rush to Ndii's World channel and let her know that you are coming from Mirian Dike. Like I said, she is an amazing mom. You will get to know her very soon. So keep watching while we're waiting for the cake to get done. So guys, it's now 40 minutes and the cake is done. Yeah, that's the cake. Let's wait for it to cool down a little before I'll bring it out from the pan. More than 5 minutes, I'll now go ahead and open it. So that is it. And now I'll now place a plate like this just to turn it around. So here we go. So guys, let's go ahead and cut the cake. So guys, you can see that making orange fruits cake, it's very simple and good. I mean, very simple and yummy. This is my portion I cut out. It's very, very soft, guys. In it with the tangerine range, and you can see that it contains less sugar. Guys, you can see that the cake is very healthy, sweet, yeah, and very easy to do. You can do it at any time. It doesn't waste time. It's just give it interval of 50 minutes or interval of, let me just say, 1 hour, and you enjoy your healthy cake. So don't forget, yeah guys, to go to Ndii's world. I'm heading to her channel right away to see her own version of this fruit cake. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next interesting video as usual. Bye.